Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to change the default font in Microsoft Outlook. And your first step is click on File right here. Once you click on File, go down and click on Options. Once you click on Option, you'll get this page. Then on the left hand side, you'll have to click on Mail, which is under General. Click on Mail. Once you click on Mail, you'll get this window. Click on Stationery and Fonts, then you'll get this tab. Now with this, once you click on Font, you can change your default by just scrolling and choosing your favorite text font. Once you click on OK, it becomes your default, and you can see for new mail messages, this would be the font. For replying and forwarding messages, you can also change it. You can also keep some different fonts. For example, I want to keep, let's say, this font. You can just click on OK and this will be your default for replying and forwarding. This would be the default. And by doing the same method, you can like change other fonts. You can change these fonts too. And after you've changed them, you just have to simply hit OK. After you click on OK, you have successfully changed your default font to the font that you want. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.